Hello friends, today's topic, want to become rich, write a check of rupees 10 crore to yourself. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. There is a very beautiful saying, all things are created twice. There is a mental or first creation and a physical or a second creation to all things. Stephen Covey. Unless you believe and see an image of you achieving something in your mind, you are unlikely to achieve it in reality. The first step in becoming wealthy is to believe with conviction that we will be becoming wealthy in future. We need to work hard and stay patient to achieve success in life. We will need to earn well, save good amounts of money, and invest smoothly and smartly to become wealthy. But unless we don't have the mental picture of being wealthy, the chances of achieving it is low. One exercise to help you visualize financial success is to write a check for a large but realistic amount to your future self. For example, you may write a check of rupees 5 crore or 10 crore or any other large amount which you think will be quite realistic to achieve but will also be making you comfortable. The date of the check may be 10, 20 or 30 years from today. Sample check to self is like this. Pay your name rupees 10 crores 25 10 2050 and the value is 10 crores. By writing such a check to yourself, your mind starts visualizing it, seeing how it will be in future when you have the sum of money. Also, your mind will start thinking of steps to achieve your goal. Stick this check on your bedroom wall and see it every day for a minute and close your eyes and visualize yourself moving closer to your goal. If your imagination is good, you'll be able to see your future self having all the financial assets that you wished. You'll be able to visualize how your family members and friends are proud of you. This may seem very simple and you may wonder how you will be able to achieve your goal. But the main thing is to really believe that you will achieve it. If you start doubting it right from the beginning, then most likely you will not achieve it since you will not even work hard to achieve it. This technique has worked wonders for a large number of people in the world. The question is whether you will make it work in your life. You may also stick pictures of other things you want to achieve in life, such as happy times with family, good health, comfortable house, good car, etc. If you can see things daily, your subconscious mind will be working to make it a reality. Of course, you have to also consciously work towards your goals since magic will not happen without efforts. Take this exercise seriously and create physical and mental images about the things you would like to achieve in your life. End of the video, here is the question. What is your biggest financial goal in life? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.